Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Harence Winter Snow Boots for women. Boots designed to conquer the cold while keeping you stylish and comfortable. As winter creeps in and temperatures drop, one of the first things we all crave is warmth. That's where these Harence snow boots shine. From the moment you slip them on, the soft, plush lining wraps your feet in a cocoon of warmth. This artificial short fur lining completely encloses your feet, making it perfect for snowy walks, icy commutes, or just running errands on a frosty morning. Now let's talk about the exterior. These boots feature a waterproof upper crafted from Oxford cloth. It's designed to block out rain, slush, snow, or any other winter surprise. So if you're walking through a snowy street or stepping into a puddle, you'll find your feet staying comfortably dry. Not only is it practical, but it's also incredibly easy to clean. Just a quick wipe with a cloth and you're good to go. One of the most convenient features of these boots is the slip-on design. Harence made sure putting these on or taking them off doesn't feel like a wrestling match. That's especially helpful when you're in a hurry or dealing with bulky winter clothing. Some models also come with a zipper or elastic band closure for added ease, depending on the color or style you choose. Moving to the sole. These boots use a high-durability polyurethane sole that's non-slip and flexible. It provides good traction on most winter surfaces, so whether you're walking across a slick driveway or a snowy sidewalk, you can do it with more confidence. While it's always important to tread carefully on ice, the grip here is solid for typical winter conditions. Comfort is a huge part of what makes these boots stand out. They're lightweight and well-cushioned, which is rare for snow boots that often feel like you're lugging around ankle weights. The inside remains cozy even during prolonged wear, making them a great companion for a full day out or a casual stroll. As far as looks go, Harence keeps it classic and versatile. These boots come in various sizes and colors, with black being one of the most popular. The design is minimal and neat, perfect for pairing with jeans, leggings, or winter dresses. Now, let's take a quick look at practicality. These boots are great for everyday winter use. They're not meant to be heavy-duty hiking boots or mountain gear, but for city walks, errands, commuting, or even casual snow play, they're an excellent and affordable choice. In terms of sizing, the boots run fairly true to size, though some users find them slightly roomy. That can actually be a bonus if you like to wear thick socks in winter. Just make sure to check the size chart before buying. To sum it up, the Harence Winter Snow Boots for women offer a solid mix of comfort, warmth, waterproofing, and slip-on convenience, all at a very reasonable price point. If you're looking for a reliable pair of winter boots that are functional yet stylish, this pair should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products for everyday life. Stay warm out there.